Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Mac model and serial number so you can reference Apple records. You also need proof of purchase and the Apple ID email tied to the device. Once done, make sure the Mac has internet access, a charged battery above 20%, and can boot into recovery or activation lock. Next, try contacting the original owner. If they respond, ask them to remove the device from iCloud. Find My. This step saves time and is legally essential. Now continue with the verification process. Sign into iCloud. With the owner's Apple ID and remove the Mac from their devices. This instantly clears activation lock. If that is not possible, prepare clear scans of the purchase invoice, the Mac serial number, and your government ID. Apple requires these. Then create an Apple support request for activation lock removal, uploading proofs, and explaining the chain of ownership. Apple evaluates documentation. Once approved, they send instructions to wipe and reactivate the Mac. Finish by following Apple's removal confirmation and then reinstall Mac OS via recovery. Choose Internet Recovery, Option Command R, if local recovery fails so the installer downloads the correct OS. After reinstall, set up the Mac and sign in with the correct Apple ID. If Apple denies removal, escalate through Apple Care, contact the original seller, or pursue a refund via your bank or consumer protection. Keep all documentation. One key troubleshooting tip. If activation lock persists, verify the serial was entered correctly in Apple's portal and re-upload clearer proof images.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.